Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Pepe update. So Pepe is down at 12,731, okay, and some people are wondering if this is a buying time. Some people are thinking, should we sell and stuff like that. Now if I was to trade the coin, let me just keep it very simple. I am going to look to maybe put a buying bid right down at the support level. That for me is a place where I can take a little bit of a risk. I can put in some buying bids and orders and maybe probably have it pump a little bit for a 10-15% and trade it and then get out, okay? Like a very quick trade. I'm not even talking about long-term or intraday or swing trades. Just very quick 4-hour time frames and 10-15% pumps and then get the hell out of there. Now the reason why is because you are in the middle of nowhere, okay? If you do think that, oh, it actually came down, this is a discount, for some reason people thought that this is the first discount, people thought this is another discount, and this is another discount, which this one was actually a nice discount if you actually traded it, and now people are still thinking this is another discount. But I personally would say that, based on the technicals, that is just you. People, that's probably just you saying that, it dropped down and it's a good idea to buy, which is not necessarily true, because something just goes down. It doesn't really mean that you have to buy that thing. You need more checks, and let's bring the checks. Where is the support in here? You don't know if there's any support. Look, you are in the middle of nowhere, so there's no any support right there. It's just a random move down and a sideways movement. And I'm going to break this to you that, you see, this sideways movement is not random, because every single candle, learn something about price actions, okay? Price action is the language of the market. It actually speaks a language, and I try to decode the price actions as much as I can. And thank goodness I do actually decode the price action language 90% of the time. And I'm going to tell you what kind of a language we are learning here. I'm going to interpret to you I'm going to translate what is going on in here with Pepe. Just bear with me in a second. But I have something to tell you. I have an 18 hours course for you, specially created by the demand of all of you guys who are watching, and it's for you, not for me, okay? I know what I'm doing. So if that's something you want to learn, tell me on Twitter, and I'm going to give you a discount if you want to pay with USDT, and you can buy the course and learn if you want to learn. So let's actually decode and let's translate what's going on. Now, I personally think that this move down isn't a good idea to get it and move it up. Yesterday when we're down here, it was a different opinion, and that's the reason why I'm making daily updates. So yesterday I said that you might end up coming and pushing up here. But as far as the 24-hour time span has passed by and new candles have printed out, it doesn't really seem that you want to go up there. Now, how did I know that? It's all about the price action, and it's not magic or anything. By time and experience, you're going to understand what is going on. So the price action that moved like this, and this sideways, whatever is happening on the sideways here, actually is creating another pattern, and that pattern is a pennant. Boom and boom, okay? This is a continuation pattern. You go down, boom, 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 price action, you drop down, and you continue lower. So do expect more downtrend, but the break hasn't happened. Keep in mind, you have a pennant that is forming up. If you break up and you break above the pennant like this, the price action is going to be different, and you're going to start to pump to the upside. So if you see something like that, I'm just laying down to you, so in case you don't go down like this, then if you go up and pop up like this, then you're looking for a move up, then okay, fine. The pennant is not in play. But right now, my personal best pick for Pepe right now is the following. So long story short, this to me is some sort of a pennant that you're printing in, trend line right there, and trend line right over here, if you can drag it right over there. So I'm just going to drag it like that, and you do have a pennant. So when you make a pennant like that, you take this top to that bottom, and then you take the next technical target. So basically You can even try to trade this trading opportunity. So you're looking for the top here to the bottom right there, and this wherever you pop out of this pennant right here, you're looking for a continued drop from there to there, and you're looking for a technical target of 9,000, nearly 10,000 level. Now it also doesn't mean that you still have to buy right over here. Again, you might still pump or not, I don't know, but if you come down, you might make another pennant, and then you drop down and you come finally to these levels, and this is where you have support are meant to buy. And when you have support like this, and you maybe try to buy a little bit and try to trade a little bit, work with stop losses probably down here, because if you come down, take this low and back test and hit your head at the whatever the support turns into resistance, you go even more down. Simple. So if you like the analysis, if you want to learn, discounts are there for maybe a limited time right now, and I'm going to see you with the next one. I love this.